Hello students, today will we discuss about explanation of way of the world. Last night was one of their travel nights. They have 3 times a week and meet by turns at one another's apartments, where they come together like the corners in quest to sit upon the murdered repetitions of the week. इसका रेफरेंस है द वे ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज द लास्ट प्ले ऑफ कॉनग्रीव एंड इट इज कंसिडर्ड as is masterpiece, though in the beginning it was a failure on the stage. The critics believe that it was written to please the author's fastidious taste and not to conform to the prevailing fashion of the age. The central theme of the play is the misfortune of the lovers. All the incidents of the play revolve around single theme of love and at the same time the illicit relations between man and woman. The hero Mirabell is in his quest to win the love of Millamant, the niece of old lady Wishford. Various ups and downs take place and at last everything ends happily. There are nothing but fashionable circles, parks and gardens, gathering of folks and coquettes and love intrigues. Context है Mirabell and Fennel were playing cards, but the game has been finished because neither of them shows any interest in it. Mirabell is lost in some serious thoughts and so he does not pay attention to the game while Fennel is worried by his carelessness. When Fennel asks Mirabell the reason of his disappointment, he tells that last night he was turned out of the company in a humiliating manner. He is annoyed more because his loved Millamant had also supported Lady Wishford against him. इसकी explanation है Fennel consoles Mirabell that whatever happened last night is not so serious and he should not feel ill of it. He tells that last night was the arrangement of a cable night which is meant only for the ladies and men are not allowed to join it. So if Mirabell was present there, it was wrong and it was natural if they wanted that he should leave their company at once. He gives the detailed descriptions of such arrangements in the fashionable circles. It is organized their times in a week and the place also change. They arrange it at the homes of different ladies by turn. In these meetings, the ladies discuss the conduct of men and analyze their activities just as a doctor dissects the dead body and the repetition of different people are destroyed. Comment है the dialogues presents the picture of the activities of the so-called cultured fashionable women. Such gatherings were common and a lot of time and money was spent on such arrangement. Such scenes make this play a true comedy of manners. द वे ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कॉनग्रीव का अंतिम नाटक है और ये उसकी सर्वश्रेष्ठ रचना मानी जाती है। यद्यपि आरंभ में ये रंगमंच पर असफल हो गया, नाटक का मुख्य विषय प्रेमियों का दुर्भाग्य है। मीराबेल सदैव मिलामेंट को प्रेम प्राप्त करने की इच्छुक है और प्रयत्न करता रहता है। अनेक उतार चढ़ावों के बाद प्रेमी मिलने में सफल हो जाते हैं। और नाटक आनंद के वातावरण में समाप्त होता है। मिराबेल फैनल ताश खेल रहे होते हैं, परंतु खेल जल्द ही समाप्त हो जाता है क्योंकि दोनों में से कोई भी इसमें रुचि नहीं लेता। मिराबेल गंभीर विचारों में खोया हुआ होता और बताता है कि पिछली रात उसे स्त्रियों ने अपने मध्य से अपमानजनक तरीके से बाहर निकाल दिया था। वह और भी इसलिए परेशान है क्योंकि मिलामेंट भी लेडी विशफोर्ड के साथ उससे मिल गई थी। फैनल मिराबेल को सांत्वना देता है कि पिछली रात जो कुछ भी हुआ वह इतना गंभीर नहीं है और उसे इसका बुरा नहीं मानना चाहिए। वह केवल रात्रि थी जो केवल स्त्रियों के लिए ही होती है और पुरुष उसमें कहीं नहीं जा सकते। उसमें मिराबेल की उपस्थिति अनावश्यक थी और उन्हें वहाँ से हटाना स्वाभाविक था। वह फैशनेबल समाज में ऐसे आयोजनों का वर्णन करता है कि सप्ताह में 3 बार आयोजित किए जाते हैं और इनका स्थान भी परिवर्तित होता रहता है। बारी से ये अलग अलग स्त्रियों के घर में होता है। इनमें स्त्रियां पुरुषों के व्यवहार का विश्लेषण करती हैं और विभिन्न लोगों के सम्मान की धज्जियां उड़ाई जाती हैं। ये उस समय के फैशनेबल समाज का सजीव चित्रण है। नेक्स्ट है, एंड फॉर अ discerning man, somewhat too passionate a lover. For I like her with all her faults, nay, like her for her faults. Her follies are so natural or so artful that they become her, and those affections which in another woman would be odious serve what to make her more agreeable. इसका कॉन्टेक्स्ट है, मिराबेल इज मोर डिसअपॉइंटेड when he noticed that even his beloved Millamant had joined her aunt in insulting him. Fennel consoles him by telling that the Cavil Night parties are not only for women. He shows greater sympathy to Whitwood, who is actually a grateful. Fennel defends her that undoubtedly Millamant is a great will. Explanation है इसकी, in these lines Mirabel expresses his deep love and attachment for Millamant and also reflects upon her character. She is beautiful enough to attract any man and at the same time very humble and gentle in her behavior. Mirabel admits that his passionate lover of Millamant, he loves her not only for her beauty and virtues, but also for her faults. He knows well that Millamant has a number of weaknesses, but they make her even more charming than create anger or disdain against her. Her reasons that she does not herself know about her drawbacks. Rather, they are natural to her and form the part of her personality. Consequently, even if she tries to get rid of, she cannot. Rather, in that case, her whole beautiful charm and personality will be destroyed. So, in fact, that faults enhance her beauty and charm. Some of these faults are sometimes committed knowingly, but there is nothing artificial in them. Rather, they seem to be the part of her everyday behavior. So they never strike anybody, and so they are more proper and charming in her. Her confessed that here is the basic difference between Millamant and other women. If the same weaknesses are noticed in the character and behavior of any other woman, they will make her hateful and nobody will accept her in his company, while in Millamant that are the chief charm of her personality and inspire greater and greater love for her. In this expression, we notice that Mirabel's love for Millamant is deep and sincere. His love is pure and unblemished, and though he is pained at Millamant's behavior last night, at the Cavil Night party, he has pardoned her because he thinks that such things are the part of her charming personality. मिराबेल मिलामेंट के व्यवहार से बहुत निराश है, परंतु फेनल उसका पक्ष लेता है। मिराबेल अपना प्रेम प्रकट करता है, मिलामेंट के चरित्र पर प्रकाश डालता है। वह व्यवहार में सरल, सज्जन व इतनी सुंदर है कि वह किसी को भी अट्रैक्टिव कर सकती है। वह उसे केवल सुंदरता व गुणों के कारण ही प्रेम नहीं करता, बल्कि उसकी कुछ कमियों के कारण भी करता है। उसमें अनेक दुर्बलताएं हैं, परंतु वे घृणा उत्पन्न करने के स्थान पर उसे और अधिक आकर्षक बनाती हैं। उसे स्वयं अपनी कमियों का ज्ञान नहीं है, बल्कि वे स्वाभाविक है और उसके व्यक्तित्व का अंग है। अतः वह चाहकर भी उनसे छुटकारा नहीं पा सकता। उसमें बिल्कुल भी कृत्रिमता नहीं है। वह मानता है कि मिलामेंट अन्य स्त्रियों में आधारभूत सुंदर है। यदि अन्य स्त्रियों में ये कमियां हों तो वह उन्हें घृणास्पद बना देगी और कोई उनका साथ पसंद नहीं करेगा, जबकि यही मिलामेंट के व्यक्तित्व का मुख्य आकर्षण है। मिराबेल का मिलामेंट के प्रति शुद्ध प्रेम है और उसके द्वारा किए गए अपमान को क्षमा कर देता है, क्योंकि ये उसका मूल स्वभाव है।